discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So what's your name real quick?
Dave. It's 4 DC level 6s, 4 DC 5Ks. Rice is killing me though. It's getting roughly 1800 watts per sub.
What's your starting ohm?
Half ohm.
Okay.
Yeah, I got 8 times.
Wow, you're rising that much, man. That means you built an efficient enclosure though.
Yeah.
Are you still working on the port?
Yes.
You are?
Yeah. It's a lot of testing and tuning. The rear is at 23, the front's roughly at 51.
Okay. 51, nice. The way your old build was when you had a driver port, I remember, this is a lot more musical.
Yeah.
And it's like it just throws with authority. You don't have any fall off point at all. So yeah, I would love to see the amps, man. Very nice. Ooh.
Yeah, editing's a lot of work.
Nice. So you said these 5Ks are going from half ohm up to what, 4 ohm? Yeah. Depending on, is that around your peak when you test? Yeah.
So they're clipping 1873 apiece.
Okay. Nice. Do you know what's your cubic space on each section of it?
It's 18 and a half in the bottom, 26 in the top.
Okay. So almost like a 1 to 3, 1.3, 1.4. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you very much, man. Thanks for showing me, man. Very nice. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. Be sure to give Dave a like and comment what you like about his system. Insane demo at Ruckus and Chill Fayetteville, North Carolina show. Got 2-song demo he's going to be giving us today. I put the previous video link in the description. This was the layout of his prior system box where he had more of a closed-in port where it was playing into the teen frequencies. Today he still plays into the high 20s and low 20 hertz range you'll see during this demo. Powerful 5,000 watt RMS amplifier per subwoofer. The specs of the amplifier runs up to 18 volts at over 7,000 watts. And I'm pretty sure he had 95 amp hours of lithium and 2 alternators. Didn't really get to see under the hood during this video, but if you want to see more about his system, recommend checking out that other video. And really lay out the way the box is built into the vehicle. You can tell optimal amount of space. And this being a 6th order enclosure with that back port helps with that low end response. These subwoofers are rated at 4,500 watts RMS each. So he's definitely giving them all the juice when he turns it up all the way during this demo. That second song got pretty brutal with the crazy hair trick you're going to see. And I like all of the extra bracing he added into the box to stop the flex. And with the motors being inverted so you can see the beautiful heavy motor force out of them subs. So a total of 20,000 watts on 4 18-inch subs. Crazy dangerous bass demo today on this video. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos every day and enjoy the demo.
Savage.
Hey, babe.
23, 22 hertz?
Yeah, that was 23.
Wow, man, that is really clean. And is that around your low peak with the door?
Low peak is at 26.
26,
I was
okay.
gonna give you 26 right
Wow. Okay. Man.
now. I'll give you one more.
Okay, yeah, man. I love it. Your door's hating you.
Oh yeah. Door, firewall.
Yeah.
What you talking about? Dropping the switch, hitting the loop, trying to get rich, off in this bitch. Dropping my top, I'm popping my trunk, I'm whipping my wig, I'm whipping my twist. These niggas ain't shit, these niggas ain't real, these niggas is frauds. Most of these haters been caught and crushed your love and all of me bars. So I pull a cord, slam a door, break a hole down, pull a door to the soul, been here.
Definitely the way your old build was when you had a driver port, I remember. This is a lot more musical.
Yeah.
And it's like it just throws with authority. You don't have any fall off point at all. So that was awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man. Yeah.